I've got a lovely pile of Pontiacs. Here they are sitting in a pile. Big ones, small ones, ones older than me. I would like to apologize for my future past self for that. That was horrible. I swear I will never submit you guys to that again. I'm sorry. Hello and welcome to I Lord Fox's Garage, where the only thing longer than my hair is my project list. I'm your host, I Lord Fox, and this is a 1999 Grand Am GT that's been sitting for half a decade in a yard. I think I may have a problem. So here we have, as I said, 99 Grand Am. It's seen some better days. Got a little bit of stuff needs to be washed off on it. You know, a little bit of dirt and grime. It's got built-in swimming pool. A little bit of collected water. Taking liberty of mothballing it already. And it does kind of smell really bad. So she's been sitting for a couple years. She's got that lustrous 3400 EFI transverse V6. And yeah, we're gonna see if we can get her moving on her own power today. You know, hopefully. So we're going to start checking the fluids, checking stuff, making sure, you know, I can get it running. I have a battery for it. Keen eyes among you may notice. This looks awfully familiar from my Grand Marquis. I've got too many cars start with Grand lately. My Grand Marquis battery replacement video. It doesn't look like it'll fit, but you know, that's what some jumper cables and some stuff will do. So I'm gonna go get the keys for this so we can get started. We're gonna do a little bit of a fluid check. We've got oil, got Stay Cool juice, and we've got turn-in juice. So after a bit of finagling, I have a battery hooked up to it, and we're gonna see if she turns over. If she doesn't turn over, this is gonna be a really short episode. Holy crap, she started right up! I wasn't expecting it to do that! I have all sorts of tools and everything. Holy shit. Here she is, folks. Oof, that does not sound good. Here she is, folks. 122,000 miles, idling at 900 RPM, quarter of a tank. Temperature and airbag lights on. Of course it's on. Yeah, it's got a pool. Holy shit. Lights seem to work. And great, just great. Now I gotta figure out how to move it with the battery detached. We'll figure that out. In the meantime, we'll let it idle. A little bit of whirring, a little bit of clacking, but other than that, seems to be running all right. Prior owners did inform me that there is a head gasket issue, and upon some research, head gaskets on these things are notoriously unreliable. And I believe it's the center back cylinder, so either 1, 2, 3, 4. It's either 3 or 4. I don't remember which side it starts on. But this one apparently is leaking, and it either needs a new head or new head gasket or something along those lines. But it's running, which is a surprise to me, and that just means something else is going to go wrong, and I have to figure out what that is. For the moment, I'm going to go get Car Guy Dave because he's got a little bit better constitution than I do. and we'll see if we can actually get it to either move under its own power or rock, or what we gotta do, either tow it back to his place or we can drive it there under its own power. So I'm gonna go get him and I'll be right back. There was a car here. Oh wait, we moved it under its own power. Yeah! And here we have it, folks. It's new home, moved under its own power, over at Car Guy Dave's. Got a somewhat extensive list of work I got to do on it. The brakes do not work, and they hang at the same time. So, brakes. It's likely going to need a head job, so I have to pull the heads off. There'll be a whole video on how to do that on this engine. And it's gonna need an interior cleaning because it's filled like a lake in there. Sunroof leaks. It's gonna have to solve that problem. Once that's all taken care of, then well, we'll go from there. As always, I'm High Lord Fox. From everyone here over at High Lord Fox's Garage, thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and make sure to like and subscribe if you have any interest in any more videos like this or any of the other projects that I'm working on. Thank you.